If you're doing keto on a budget, buying these foods in bulk can save you big money fast. First, eggs. They're one of the most affordable, high-protein keto foods you can buy, and they work for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Second, ground beef. It's filling, versatile, and perfect for quick keto meals like taco bowls, burgers, or skillet dishes. Third, frozen vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower rice. They last longer, reduce waste, and make meal prep so much easier during busy weeks. Fourth, chicken thighs. They're usually cheaper than chicken breasts, packed with flavor, and great for keeping you satisfied. And fifth, butter and cheese. Having healthy fats available helps make keto meals more enjoyable and can help reduce cravings throughout the day. One of the biggest mistakes people make on keto is not having the right foods available, which leads to grabbing high-carb convenience foods. Lead with protein, keep carbs low, and use fat as a lever. Subscribe to my channel for more great tips.